Hello. So I'm out here in a beautiful river in Bali, and this video is going to be today about how to use the water element and to use bodies of water to clear your energy, right? So we all know that like when we go into water we feel better, but we can actually use intentional practices with water to clear our energy and make it more powerful. And why is water so effective in clearing our energy? Well, it's very simple. Water is like the most magical substance probably on the planet. It's in like a semi-crystalline form. And if you've ever seen like Dr. Emoto's work, where he's toning different words and saying it towards water, so he'll say love and you'll see this beautiful sacred geometrical crystal, and then he'll say like hopeless and you'll see this like the geometry and the water sort of falling apart and looking not nearly as geometrical or harmonious. So water responds to thought, it responds to vibration, and it's very malleable. It's one of the most malleable substances and one of the most impressionable substances on the planet. And so we can use this to our advantage, because when we're in a body of water, right, our energy fields don't just end and begin in our physical body, it goes around us, right? So around our whole body, we have an energy field. So when we go into water, we're surrounding ourselves with all this beautiful water, right? We're surrounding our energy field, we're blinking our energy field, and the natural vibration of water, like when it's in a river like this, is pretty good. It's pretty good, there's a pretty high level of prana. So even if we go in with zero intention to clear our energy, we're gonna feel better, most likely, if we have some stuck negative energy. But when we go in and we actually use the malleability of water, when we use the ability of water to vibrationally absorb information, we can actually program the water around us to help clear our own energy. So for instance, if we say, this water is full of infinite love, this water is full of gratitude, this water is blessing me and I bless this water, when the divine is flowing through this water, when we use these sorts of like holy prayerful words toward the water intentionally with reverence for the water, as we're going into it, we can use that energy of those thoughts, of that intention, to then go into all the water that's surrounding us. And as we're doing that, then as we say this, we can feel this love, this field of love, this field of gratitude, this field of peace permeate through the water. If we want, we can say a prayer or a mantra into the water. And as we're doing this, then the energy of the water gets imbibed with the sacred geometry of what we are saying. And then those sacred geometries are filling our entire energy field, because our whole energy field is immersed in the water. And your whole energy field then more easily gets immersed in this field of gratitude, this field of love, this field of peace, this field of divinity. So this is a really powerful practice. It's great to just go in water, but when I go in water, I just don't go in water. I go in with the intention to have my energy harmonized. So I'm gonna take a dip right now, as best as I can while holding this camera. And we're gonna basically bless this water around us and then feel the energy. And I have other more advanced practices that I do with water, but this is a really good entry level water practice that you can do to really harmonize your energy field, okay? So I'm gonna take a dip. Yeah. So that was just one dip, but I'll normally spend quite a few minutes kind of like bathing in this energy field, this field of love, of gratitude, of peace, and imbuing all these energies into the water and giving thanks to the water. And as I do this, I can feel my whole energy field. If there's any negative attachments or something, it just falls away most of the time. So water is one of the easiest ways to clean our whole energy field, to relax, to be more connected to nature. So if you like this video, please like, please subscribe, comment, maybe use water. You can also do this in the shower, but there's no place like doing it like out in nature, you know? So when you can do it in nature, that's the best, but doing it in the shower or doing it in the bathtub is also very powerful. Another practice I'll do sometimes is I'll take baths with the flower essences I use, so that also is very, very good. That's extremely powerful. So yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next one.